Welcome to the Mood Dog Motors channel. This week we're coming to you from the Inlet show at the Ocean City Cruisin. Great time, always a great show, lots of cars, lots of good friends, lots of people. But we really would like to hear what you have to say, so leave us a comment, give us a like, please subscribe. 1951 Chevrolet 3100 series pickup, 6-cylinder. (1957) Fiat. '47 Chevrolet station wagon, Woody. 1964 Chevrolet station wagon with a 409. Ford pickup. 1959 Chevrolet 31 Apache pickup truck. 1974 Dodge Challenger. 1957 Chevrolet. 1950 Ford. 1937 Ford. 1948 Dodge DeSoto. 1937 Plymouth 4-door. Hold on. This is all original car. Nice Survivor. '57 Ford Fairlane. So notice it's got the dual spotlights on it. Got one on each side. 1969 Dodge Super Bee race car. 1C stock automatic. Got 3 2s on it. 1947 Diveco milk truck. 62 Dodge Dart convertible. This is a 1964 Studebaker Avante. 62 Chevrolet 2-door. Got a 409 motor. And it's a stick shift car. Came that way from the factory. 1965 Volkswagen bus. What they call 280 air conditioning. Open up the 2 front windows and go 80 miles an hour. But it's a window van. It's got all those windows at the top. And it's got like a sky roof in it or a pop-up. It's pretty cool. 65 Volkswagen. 77 Ford pickup truck. It's an F-100 Ranger. This is a 68 Firebird 400. Looks to be an original car. If you look here, it's got the dog dish hubcaps, redline tires, and it's got a tack. This is pretty cool. And if you can see inside, which is tough, it's a stick shift car. So this was a bad little baby. 68 Firebird, original car. See a lot of that stuff in Ocean City. Seen a lot of it today. Survivor original cars. 68 Firebird. It's a 455 motor. Oh, and it's got a hood tack. And it's a stick shift car. 68 Firebird. 69 Swinger Dart with tri-power. '58 Corvette. '67 Chevrolet Nova. '63 Dodge Dart convertible GT.